What if tomorrow you woke up and every continent, island, and coastline had vanished beneath the sea? No cities, no mountains, no forests, just an endless ocean stretching in every direction. Imagine staring out at the horizon and seeing nothing but water, waves rolling forever under a heavy sky. This is the shocking vision of Earth transformed into a true water world. Right away, the atmosphere would begin to change. With no land to balance gases, carbon dioxide would rise unchecked. Oceans would absorb some at first, but once saturated, the air would grow unstable. Storms would become monsters. With no mountains or coastlines to slow them down, hurricanes could circle the planet endlessly. Winds would scream across the open sea, whipping colossal waves while torrential rain hammered day after day. Beneath the surface, the ocean would turn into a world of extremes. Sunlight can only reach a few hundred meters down. Everything below that would be cloaked in eternal twilight and darkness. Photosynthesis, the foundation of marine life, would collapse almost everywhere. Coral reefs and shallow nurseries would vanish. Fish and creatures that depend on coastal ecosystems would be wiped out. Strange deep-sea species might spread further, but food chains would weaken dramatically. Without sunlight, energy would rely on chemical sources like hydrothermal vents. The vibrant life of shallow seas would fade into silence. The crushing weight of a global ocean would press on the crust. With no exposed rock, erosion and weathering would vanish, cutting off feedback systems that regulate climate. Nutrients would become a hidden crisis. The ocean would slowly starve. Plankton populations would collapse. Since plankton produce most of Earth's oxygen, the very air would thin. The oxygen crash would ripple through ecosystems. Fish would suffocate in low-oxygen seas. Life would tilt toward microbes and extremophils. Climate would also grow chaotic. Water stores heat, but without continents to balance currents, temperatures would swing unpredictably. Some regions might stagnate in cold stillness, while others overheated. Earth itself would even change shape. With water spreading evenly, the equator might bulge more strongly from rotation. The ocean would become deeper at the middle, shallower at the poles. Over thousands of years, water would seep into cracks of the crust, driving strange hydrothermal reactions. Gases could be trapped or released, further twisting the climate. No islands, no high ground, no escape. Humanity, if it endured, would be forced to build floating cities, fragile outposts in an endless sea. Without nutrient cycles, food webs would collapse until little remained. The planet would be alive with water, but barren of complex life. This shows a haunting truth about habitability. Too little water and a planet is desert. Too much and the very systems that support life collapse. The miracle of Earth is not just water, but balance. Land provides nutrients, stability, and climate control, while oceans regulate heat and nurture life. Strip one away, and everything unravels. So next time you look at a globe, notice the continents beside the seas. That uneven pattern is exactly what makes Earth unique. Without it, our world could be just another silent, endless ocean drifting through space. And that is the haunting truth of a planet covered entirely by water. If this vision made you think about how fragile our home really is, don't let it fade. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more journeys into the mysteries of our universe.